Problem A2. 42 cubes of side length 1 cm are stuck together to form a solid cuboid. The perimeter of the base of the cuboid is 16 cm. What is its height in cm? Now to do this problem, we can imagine the base of the cuboid. So I'm going to just draw that here. And it's going to be a rectangle because, well, we just usually do that. And then you can imagine the height of the whole cuboid. So I'm just going to draw the cuboid over here. So if that's the cuboid, we have the height here. And then the base is just this over here. Now to work out this problem, we have to think of ways that we could form a volume of 42, right? Because we have 42 of the side length 1 cm cubes. So for a perimeter of a base with 16 cm, then you could think of some, well, we could try out some different values. But it is actually more helpful just to list the factors. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, no, not 4. We have 6, we have 7, we have 14, we have 21, and we also have 42. So I think that's all. Yeah, that's probably all. Okay. Now what can some, well, we need a perimeter of 16 cm, so we want 8 for these two and 8 for these two. So what will let us sum that? And now since they have to be whole numbers, remember, because we're using cubes, unit cubes. Well, what sums 8 over here? Well, 2 and 6 sums 8. So we could try that. So 2, 6. However, if you do 2 multiplied by 6, you get 12. And 42 is not divisible by 12. So therefore, we cannot use this configuration. So we can ignore that one there. What else? Well, there's 7 and 1. So let's try that. So 7 and 1. Now 7 times 1 is equal to 7. And 42 is divisible by 7. It's a factor over here. So that equals to 6. And therefore, we can conclude that its height is 6. With a base of 7 by 1. And its height is going to be 6 cm. Its height is going to be 6 cm.